Okay, guys, last time we ended up here. Now let's chain this with a move. What I want you to do is pin one of his paws with your legs, okay? Cross paw grip with an underhook with the chin. You can then go for the one-handed rear naked choke, or if you want, you can switch to an arm bar, paw bar.